How to upload photos to Facebook on Android. This tutorial shows you how to post pictures to your Facebook profile or timeline on your Android device. First, open the Facebook application on your Android device. Next, you'll see your newsfeed with posts from friends and pages. Following that, look for the What's on Your Mind box at the top of the feed. Now, tap on What's on Your Mind to create a new post. The post creation screen will open. Moving forward, look for the photo or gallery icon. Tap on photo/video to access your device's gallery. Afterwards, your photo gallery will open showing all your images. Tap on the photo you want to upload to select it. You can select multiple photos by tapping on additional images. Selected photos will show a blue check mark in the corner. Once you've selected all the photos you want to upload, tap Done at the top right corner. Your selected photos will now appear in the Post Composer. You can add a caption or description in the text field above the photos. Type what you'd like to say about the photos. Additionally, you can tag people by typing @ followed by their name. You can also add a location by tapping on Check In. Choose who can see your post by tapping on the Audience selector. Select Public, Friends, or a custom audience. Once everything looks good, tap Post at the top right corner. Your photos are now uploaded and will appear on your Facebook timeline. Friends and followers can now see, like, and comment on your photos. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you upload photos to Facebook on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.